Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. So in this video I would like to share with you unboxing and first look of a new QSP knife that I recently got. This is one of the newest models for 2023 as far as I understand, and it is the model called Raven. So it took me a little while to track one down for a good price. So stay tuned for more QSP knife because I got a bunch of them, probably all the new models that came in any kind of brown micarta variation. So if you're watching this in future, then just check out my QSP list of videos. Okay, so inside we have two really nice stickers. Then here's the card of the knife with your basic informations and the model. And I'm really happy how QSP does market their knives, because let's face it, we have almost all the money is going towards the knife and not to any kind of fancy pouches, pins, coins, and all sorts of different accessories that almost in all cases will be forgotten or misplaced or thrown out. So yeah, two stickers, knife, that is everything that I am happy to receive. And yes, this is a really nice knife for the price they are offering it to. So this is the first time they released some kind of new micarta. I am really happy to see it. Not that I was not happy with the previous one. They are using the standard brown type of micarta, like on this Osprey here. So this was the past. This is the future. Lots of new models are coming in this kind of, I dare to say, burlap. This is definitely a heavy fabric, canvas type of material. So this is nice to see. Maybe I would prefer it a shade lighter, because on the pictures, if you see it on your deals, then you will probably see, oh okay, it looks like black micarta. And from if you have a small picture, then definitely this can pass as a black one. So but it's brown, something like the Matrix micarta that is CVV using. Yeah. Now let's talk about the knife itself. So the model number is QS122-D2. We have a really nice sleek EDC design, which reminds me on one particular knife that I will be talking about in the later part of this video. But we have this modified recurve drop point, almost kukri style. If I'm not mistaken, some websites do mention it is a kukri style blade shape. Yes, it can be. For me, it is more a Emerson Commander type of blade shape, but yeah. So the specifications are: we have a overall length of 20.2 centimeters, that is 8 inches. The blade length is 8.7 centimeters or 3.4 inches. The blade width is 2.7 centimeters or 1 inch. The thickness is 3.4 millimeters or 0.13 inches. The handle is 11.6 centimeters long or 4 inches, and with a thickness of 1.3 centimeters or 0.5 inches, that is without the pocket clip. On the blade, we have a really nice dark Stonewashed flat grounded recurve drop point blade made out of D2. And yes, there are quite few variations available, and there is also the same micarta with a satin finish blade. But since I have a lot of satin blades in my collection, I opted to get this nice black Stonewash, and it is just so better with D2 because it gives you another layer of protection. from corrosion, of course. On the blade we have the QSP logo right there, and on the other side we have just D2, nothing else, and there's perfectly fine, not much billboarding on the blade, so yeah, subtle but really really functional. As I mentioned, on the handles we have a nice burlap micarta, which is natural, so it will have a really nice touch to it, so it will be giving you a much better grip than just your polished type of micartas that is used with some models. And we have a really nicely executed nested stainless steel liners, which are also skeletonized. I hope you can see those craters are right there. As far as backspacer construction goes, we have a black G10 is protruding out to give you a decent large size linear hole. Overall, since this is a medium sized folder with those 8 inches, this will fit large, small hands. I have XL size hands, so it fits me almost perfectly. As far as weight goes, we have a 111 grams or 3.9 ounces. These are made in China, of course. As far as variants go, I mentioned you have 3 G10 variants. So there are 3 black G10 variants. Then we have 2 micartas and 1 brown and 1 green G10. Let me show you the sharpness. So out of the box, like probably all of my QSPs, this is razor sharp and really nice slicing action right there with this beautiful recurve. And this is also what I have to point out that I really love about QSP. They are not shying away from different blade shapes. So probably every design that I recently got with micarta had different blade shapes, so that is really a nice thing to have. Okay, now let's see the pocket profile. So I forgot to show you that unfortunately in 2023, come on QSP, why are you still using rounded screws? But the benefit is that it is set into the micarta and it's not sticking that much above the scales. But we have another negative, in my opinion. Somebody did heat treat this pocket clip, so it is very stiff, so almost nail breaking. But let's see how it goes inside the pocket. Not always when the pocket clip is heat treated and very stiff you will have problems. It also depends on the material underneath the pocket clip, but as you can see there, it will go inside the pocket without any problems. So let me show you once again. Push it down, no problems there. So yeah, it is only probably negative in my opinion, on my perspective. Sometimes when the pocket clip is really stiff, then definitely it's pushing really hard onto the scale, and then you have problems to insert it in the pocket. But you can see this one has no problems with that. So now let's see a few size comparisons. And like I mentioned, this blade shape reminds me to the Commander. So here's my this is a full size Commander, and if you are interested, if you are a Emerson Commander owner or would like to get one in the future, let me tell you that the QSP Raven is the same size as the Commander Mini Commander. So the Mini Commander is 8 inches long overall, and also the QSP Raven. So Just wanted to point it out. Maybe if you don't have the money to get yourself Amazon and you don't want any of those Kershaw collaborations, then this is a excellent substitution or gateway knife for you when you are happy with using this recurve blade. Maybe then in the future you can get hands-on your commanders. These are a ton of them are on eBay. If you are from United States, you can definitely go on different kind of knife sites that facilitate selling between users. So yeah, you can get yourself a commander for as low as, I don't know, 180, under 200 definitely. So, but let's see. More knives. So I have here this is the Cold Steel Mini Recon 1. One of the older knives in my collection is the Utilitech 2, which also has a really nice but subtle recurve. If you're looking for maybe something larger, then check out this is the Kaiser Grazioso. Also with really nice linen micarta scales, and also a subtle recurve. This beautiful harpoon style. Yeah, I wish this one came in the brown micarta. That will be one of the perfect as far as beauty of the blade shape goes. Yeah. Now let's continue. Here is my Giant Mouse Ace Grand. Another excellent EDC in my opinion, but yeah, a little bit more expensive, at around 220 or 230. Forgot to mention the pricing, sorry about that. So these will cost you around 21.5 US dollars. If you shop around in Europe, you can get them as low as 52 and maybe as high as 65, depending on the dealer, of course. Some will have also a higher price, like 78 I saw, but that was ridiculous. So do not pay 78 euros for this knife. Just shop around and find it for around let's say under 60, then you are getting a good deal. But at 52, best price that I could find. Okay, so now let's see what we have on the table. Also, if you would like to have a classic, beautiful drop point recurve style, then check out also this beautiful design from Canonian. This is the Kershaw Blur. Comes in different variations, different kind of blade steels and finishes. Most of them will have a aluminum handle, which is weighs almost nothing. This is a extremely lightweight knife, so yeah. Okay, let's continue. Here is a full-size Recon 1. Sorry about that. Kaiser Bergleiter 2, another excellent EDC in my opinion. You can not go wrong with any kind of Azo designs. Here is the Buck Vintage Avid, almost the same size. Great, excellent, older knife, but still great EDC if you're looking something made in the USA. This is a 940 from Benchmade. Let's see a few of those previously used Micarta versions that QSP is using. So here is the Penguin. I have here also the Osprey, which was the previous model that I got from QSP. So for comparisons, this is a natural state of their micarta is using, and this one is polished. So you think, see. and this is when it is saturated by oil from the pivot. So it will get almost orangey, but still, yeah, if you collect like me brown micartas, then this is something you should get your hands on. Okay, here is the Elementum. We can compare these two together. So Elementum will be the original Elementum, because there is also a large version of it. It's a paramilitary 3. Paramilitary 2. Small griptilian from Benchmade. Here is the large griptilian from Benchmade. And the bug out. And also CGRB Feldspar Mini with a beautiful Knife Center exclusive brown micarta. So this is what I would to this day say is my preferred brown micarta shade or color, and not a lot of companies are using this. So yeah, to give it more perspective, here is a Buck Sprint Pro, which has a USA made burlap micarta. So there you have it, all 3 shades of awesomeness with really nice burlap micarta style. And here's size comparisons with the Buck Sprint Pro, which now is available in few different micartas that I'm looking into it to maybe obtain a few of them. We will see. Okay, let's put also the Peanut from Rough Rider, and let's close down the comparisons with the K-Bar Dozer Folding Hunter, of course, like I usually do. So overall, I must say, another beautiful design from QSP. Big thumbs up for making something new, something different, and yeah, I'm looking forward to get all those new releases that they have planned for 2023. So if you are interested, stay tuned. Some of them are ordered. When this video will be posted, I should probably have them, maybe not, and then will I make as soon as possible. My time allows me to film those videos and share my first impressions with you. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding this knife or anything else, please let me know. I always appreciate my subscribers, viewers, letting me know what they think about the product, about the knife, or even if you have something to say, anything else, just let me know. And if you are not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos. This is everything free for you, so you can get more information about upcoming knives and knives in general, and help you out with the purchasing decisions. With that being said, wish you a wonderful day. Hope to see you soon.